Hello guys, welcome to Tech Info with Kunal. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to unbox this crazy budget laptop which can fulfill all your wishes of having a powerful gaming laptop but in a very affordable price tag. First of all, looking at the packaging, you can see the basic usual box with Lenovo Ideapad branding and some information written onto the side. Inside the box, we get some documentation that includes a guide on how to register the warranty for this laptop as well as an user guide that you can read if you want. We get this 45 watts massive charger for your laptop which can charge your laptop very fast. And now finally the laptop. The laptop is well protected with these foams and covers. Looking at the laptop, the first impression is pretty cool. The shape of the laptop is unusual with these corners which gives your laptop the gaming laptop character. You get the Lenovo branding at one side at top panel as well as Ideapad branding at the back side here. You get two massive cooling fans inside the laptops. Here you can see the air intake vents here at the bottom for the thermal management of your laptop. Now let me quickly tell you the specification of the gaming laptop. This laptop comes with an Intel Core i5 10th generation processor which comes with 4 cores. It comes with an 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM which is upgradable to up to 16 GBs. This gaming laptop comes with an 4 gigs of NVIDIA GeForce 1650 dedicated graphic card for all your gaming and video editing purposes. With this you get 512 gigs of NVMe SSD inside which makes this laptop super fast while booting and launching applications. You can add your own 2.5 SATA HDD or SSD as it has a free slot for expandable storage. Lenovo was kind enough to provide this HDD connector in the box itself so that you can add it by yourself. Laptop comes with Windows 10 pre-installed but sadly with no MS Office. The laptop comes with 15.6 inches Full HD IPS 120Hz anti-glare display with 250 nits of peak brightness. So the brightness of the screen is standard for this price tag, but you are getting a massive 120Hz IPS display which really looks good while playing the games. You get a full-sized backlit keyboard with 3 settings for the blue backlights which is very useful while working or playing at night. Talking about the ports, on the left side you get your charging port for the laptop, one LAN port, full-sized HDMI port, one 3.2 USB port and of course a 3.5mm jack for your headphones and speakers. Where on the right side you get exhaust for the heat and a single USB 3.2 port. The power button is located at the top center of the laptop along with the blue LED light inside. The escape key, numlock key and caps lock key to have that blue indicator light which I personally like. You get a 720p HD camera for all your meeting and video calling purposes with this privacy shutter which is pretty must have feature. The touchpad is massive and smooth. The laptop body is made of high grade plastic but the build quality is pretty solid for this laptop. This laptop weighs around 2.2 kgs which is pretty standard for a gaming laptop and comes with an 1-year on-site warranty from Lenovo. So finally let's talk about the price that you have to pay for this laptop. This laptop is currently priced on Amazon and Flipkart at around 55,000 rupees. But with the sales offer and card and online payment discounts, I got this laptop at incredible 45,000 rupees price, which is pretty decent for this gaming laptop with this configuration. I will be testing this laptop and will provide you with all the performance and gaming test for this laptop in the next video. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and the notifications are turned on and you don't miss another update. So talking about the laptop, the first impression is pretty solid. The laptop is power packed, looks good, but it all depends on the performance it can deliver. Still, if you want to check out this laptop, I'll give you the best buy link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to press on the like button, comment your questions if you have anything, and don't forget to subscribe for the awesome content like this. So this is Kunal signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.